How to download and install Brother MFCL2700DW all-in-one laser printer with wireless driver for Windows. To download and install Brother MFCL2700DW driver for Windows, try 1. Brother's official website for MFCL2700DWS driver download at http://support/g/b/download top.asp:/question mark c =e *EU_sign MFCL2700DW_us_EU_as 2. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.